Geotextile separates 100 materials, preventing them from mixing, which ensures the stability of the base and an even distribution of loads. Its filtering properties protect drainage systems and prevent soil particles from washing away. It's used for separating layers and reinforcing in road, drainage, agricultural, earthworks, and gardening projects. Preparing the base. Clear the surface of debris, roots, and unevenness, then level and compact the soil. Laying and securing. Unroll the material along the area, avoiding folds overlapping the sheets by 20-30, and secure the edges with anchors, adding a layer. Apply a layer. Gravel, sand, or another material, spreading it evenly over the geotextile and avoiding any damage. Using the material reduces maintenance costs for facilities, improving the mechanical properties of the structure and extending their lifespan. In addition, geotextile optimizes construction costs for projects by allowing the use of a smaller volume of bulk materials, and it also creates affordable yet effective drainage solutions for modern drainage systems.